Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. This is your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar, back again with a very important topic of discussion. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about Diploma in IFRS. It's a very exciting qualification that has newly come into India. It is offered by ACCA UK. ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It is a body which issues global standards which are valid in 181 countries as we speak. India INC is new to IFRS. It got rolled out in 2016, and today I am going to talk about 5 reasons why you should do a diploma in IFRS. Reason number 1. IFRS is globally recognized set of accounting standards, so you upgrade yourself to a global skill set. Reason number 2. IFRS as a set of standards help you to take up job opportunities in India as well as abroad. And when I talk about abroad, all of Europe, most of Africa, good part of Middle East and Far East have already complied with IFRS. If I talk about India, the latest statistics on Naukri.com tells us that about a year ago there were only 850 vacancies for IFRS qualified professionals, which has now increased to more than 3,500. So when you are looking for your next career move, a diploma in IFRS can definitely be one more feather into your cap. Reason number 3. IFRS qualified professionals have higher value in the organization. It can help you to climb the corporate ladder faster and can also help you to take up more responsibilities compared to your current role. Reason number 4. Now this reason is more from a corporate perspective, that once we start following uniform accounting standards across the world, that means we are speaking the same accounting language. Now this same accounting language facilitates flow of capital, resources, people, mergers, acquisitions and a lot more. The real reason why current government is forcing most of the corporates to go for IFRS is to upgrade them at par with the global enterprises. Reason number 5 for doing a diploma in IFRS is that even if you don't wish to go abroad, a lot of KPOs which hire accountants get higher billing rate from their end client abroad when you have an international qualification compared to a domestic one. So even if you don't have plans to migrate abroad, you can look out for an MNC opportunity or a KPO opportunity which would end up paying you much higher than your current salary if you go for diploma in IFRS. So friends, IFRS is now a reality in India as well. The sooner you take this up, the better it is for you. There is still some first mover advantage left in doing this course. So if you want more details, get in touch with us and keep watching this space. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe Finance Tube today.